Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put cosine 9x to the power of 4 and cosine 9x. Next, this one that is about cosine 9x to the power of 2, everything to the power of 2, because number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. Now we have the formula in here. Cosine 9x squared plus sine 9x squared equals to number 1. So because we have this one, so I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one go in here. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine 9x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 9 cosine 9x dx. Because we don't have number 9, so we divide both sides by number 9. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to negative b over 2 from here. So I will put this one go in here. And we have u equals to negative number 1. When s equals to b over 2, we put b over 2 gone here. And we have u equals to positive number 1. Now, this one we have negative number 1. This is about positive number 1. This one we change for u. This one we change for du over number 9. And now we need to expand this one. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1 that is about u. This one that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. The next one that is about number 5. And we put the bounds from negative number 1 to positive number 1. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one, and we have 16 over 135. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.